The Aoyue 968A Rework Station is a versatile multifunction device that combines a hot air rework tool, a soldering iron, and a smoke absorber, making it ideal for handling surface-mounted device repairs. This rework station is equipped with a high-performance heating system, providing 550 watts of power for the hot air and 70 watts for the soldering iron, ensuring quick heat-up and efficient operation. Its intelligent design includes advanced features such as an auto-cooling function for the nozzle, auto-sleep mode when the hot air tool is not in use, and a digital display for precise temperature control. The Aoyue 968A offers a large variety of tools and accessories, including over 50 nozzle sizes and 10 different soldering tips, catering to a wide range of electronic repair needs. Safety is prioritized with its built-in smoke absorber on the soldering iron, which effectively removes fumes at the source, ensuring a healthier working environment. The Rework Station's flexible soldering iron stand can be customized, allowing for different configurations to suit user preferences and workspace requirements.